Start by cribbing the jack up at least 4 inches. Use a 1 1/16 inch socket to remove the top cap from the column. Use a 14 mm wrench to remove the plug on the side of the pump housing. Then use a flathead screwdriver to remove the set screw. Use the knob to open the relief valve all the way. Begin filling the column up with oil. When the oil reaches the top, stop filling and wait for the oil level to go down. Repeat this step until oil starts to bleed out from where you removed the plug on the pump housing. Put the top cap back on the column and tighten. Reinsert set screw using the flathead screwdriver, then put the plug back in and tighten. Use the knob to close the relief valve all the way. Use a 13 mm and 10 mm wrench to remove the nut securing the handle to the piston and remove the piston with a pair of pliers. Fill the piston cavity with oil until it reaches the top. Put the piston back in place and reattach it to the handle.